ParrotPrep AI is a brand new AI software that's shaking up the digital marketing world. If you've been searching for a cutting-edge tool to optimize your business processes, you'll definitely want to know these 7 crucial things about ParrotPrep AI. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of whether this software is a game changer for you. Before we dive into it, I want to let you know that you can try ParrotPrep AI completely free from the first link in the description below. So if you're curious about what this software can do for you, make sure to check it out. Now, let's get into what you really need to know. First, ParrotPrep AI is designed to streamline your content creation process. Whether you're managing social media, blogs, or email campaigns, ParrotPrep uses advanced AI to generate high-quality content faster than ever. This is great for marketers, bloggers, and anyone looking to scale their content output without sacrificing quality. Second, it comes with an intuitive interface that makes it easy for anyone, even beginners, to jump in and start using it right away. You don't need to be a tech expert to navigate ParrotPrep AI. Its clean design and user-friendly features ensure that you can focus on what matters most: creating valuable content. Third, ParrotPrep AI offers powerful data analytics tools. It doesn't just generate content for you. It also helps you analyze its performance. By tracking engagement metrics, you can see which pieces of content are resonating with your audience and adjust your strategy accordingly. This is crucial if you want to refine your digital marketing efforts and stay ahead of the competition. Fourth, one of the standout features of ParrotPrep AI is its ability to integrate with other platforms. Whether you're working with email marketing software, social media, scheduling tools, or even analytics platforms, ParrotPrep connects seamlessly with your existing tech stack. This makes it easy to incorporate into your current workflow without a steep learning curve or a massive disruption to your operations. Fifth, ParrotPrep AI uses machine learning to adapt to your unique style and preferences. Over time, the more you use it, the more it understands your voice and tone, which means it produces even better content. This is a huge time saver for businesses that need a consistent brand voice across all channels. Sixth, ParrotPrep AI isn't just for content creation, it also includes features to optimize your SEO efforts. By suggesting relevant keywords and even optimizing your content for specific search queries, it gives you a leg up in the search engine rankings. This is a must-have for anyone who wants to drive more organic traffic and improve their online presence. Finally, ParrotPrep AI is constantly evolving. The developers behind the software are committed to releasing regular updates to improve functionality and add new features. This ensures that ParrotPrep stays at the cutting edge of AI technology and continues to offer even more value to its users. So, if you're looking to elevate your content creation, data analysis, SEO, and marketing efforts, ParrotPrep AI could be the tool you've been waiting for. Don't forget, you can try it completely free from the first link in the description below. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and ParrotPrep AI is definitely one to watch. If you're ready to give it a try, all the details are in the description. I've also included some of my other recommended AI tools that you can check out for free. These are tools I personally use to grow my business and streamline my digital marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.